Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the control knob in a Hotpoint dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new control knob. This control knob is located on the left side of the control panel. It operates the temperature switch. If the knob rotates freely on the switch shaft, making it impossible to change the drying temperature, check the knob sleeve for cracks and replace it if needed. So this is the control knob and we are going to remove it. It's very simple. Grab it and pull it straight out. Normally, why it's defective because this portion is cracked and it just runs around on the shaft without grabbing it. This is the old control knob next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new control knob, we need to match the shapes of the shaft and the shape of the opening. It's a D and a D, and we just simply slide it on. But before we do that, make sure there is the metal insert inside the knob. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.